how to fix buffering Stremio. Now, the root cause of this problem is usually your current internet connection. So first things first is do a soft reset from the physical router on your end. You simply plug it out from the outlet, plug it in back, and then just go ahead and check if you are already connected to that device. And once you're successfully connected, make sure that you have a plenty amount of signals for you to be able to stream and fix the buffering issue. Now you can also try to run some speed test on any browser that you can use for you to be able to double check on how much speed your internet is providing you. Now if the problem is still happening, it could be or it is possible that there is some crashes or bugs directly from the software. Now what you want to do is just to reinstall Stremio. You have to remove it first. So removing it is just simple. Go to the Windows icon, tap in Apps and Features, and this is where you can officially remove your Stremio software. Just use your search box, look for Stremio software in here, remove it, and try to re-download again. Again, those are the troubleshooting steps on how you can fix Stremio buffering.